part 3 video regarding intelligence. Let me discuss in detail. Okay, in this mainly we are going to focus on the intelligence test. Okay, what is meant by intelligence test, how we will do that particular intelligence test in the individuals. Okay, regarding that we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, in this first that is the intelligence test, also called as the psychological test. Okay, intelligence test also called as the psychological test. In this designed to measure a variety of mental functions of an individuals. Okay, the persons are having their mental capacity and mental functions. Okay, what are the functions they are able to do, and what is that? That is the like mental functions like reasoning. Okay, first one is the reasoning, another one is the comprehension, another one is the judgment. Okay, these we are using some elements for identification of intelligence capacity of an individuals. Okay, in this first one is the reasoning. Okay, in this the persons are able to give exact reason for doing their work. Okay, for example, they are doing one work or they are having one work. Okay, what is your work, why you are doing this work, or sometimes they are giving some answers reasonably or logically. They are able to give clear information or correct information regarding any questions you are asked in front of individuals means okay, these and all we are called as the intelligence test or the psychological test. Okay, they are able to give some judgment to that particular questions. Okay, next another one, that is the types of intelligence test. Okay, what are the types is there? In this mainly two types is there. Okay, that is the first one, intelligence test divided into two types. First one is the individual test, another one is the group test. Okay, in this individual test again two types is there. Okay, first one is the verbal test, another one is the performance test. Okay, in this group test again divided into verbal test and non-verbal test. Okay, in this what is meant by verbal test? Okay, how we are use that verbal test in front of individuals means here we are using the some information. Okay, the child or the individual or the student is able to give clear information to that intelligence. Okay, the children or the individuals or the students are able to give clear information by verbalization. Okay, వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ యొక్క మాటల ద్వారా సరి అయినటువంటి సమాధానం చెప్పగలుగుతున్నారా లేదా? ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్? Okay, what is your educational qualification, or what is your father name, or what is your native place, or what is your whatever it may be, what is the time now? Okay, what is the day, what is the date of the day? Okay, regarding these questions you are asking in front of the individuals means according to their age group. Okay, according to their chronological age nothing but according to their age, that is the vayasu. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఏజ్ కల్లా వాళ్ళ ఏజ్కి తగ్గట్టు డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ దేర్ క్రొనలాజికల్ ఏజ్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇన్ కిడ్స్, ఓకే, ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ వీఆర్ ఆస్క్ జస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ నేమ్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ మదర్ నేమ్, లైక్ దట్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ విల్ బి ఇంక్రీజ్, okay, then we are asking some according to their age group, that is what is your educational qualification. Okay, how many members of in your family? Okay, what is the occupation, what is the annual income of your father, or what is the group? Okay, regarding that means depending upon their chronological age we are asking some questions. Okay, they are able to give their mental capacity, depends upon their mental capacity they are able to give some answers to you. Okay, then we are proceed. Next sometimes we are using we are giving some counseling or some suggestions, some advices. Okay, the children or individuals or group they are able to receive your questions. ఓకే, మనం ఈ దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నప్పుడు, సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తున్నప్పుడు, అడ్వైజెస్ ఇస్తున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు దాన్ని కంప్లీట్గా అర్థం చేసుకునేటటువంటి కెపాసిటీ ఉందా లేదా? Okay, some students or some individuals or some persons are able to understand your language, you are using which is favorable to them. Okay, then the persons are unable to understand that particular language. Okay, sometimes they are able to understand your language. Okay, regarding that we are using. Next, another one, that is the memory. Okay, what is the memorable capacity of an individual? Okay, the individual having good memory or bad memory, or sometimes recent memory or recall memory, means they are forgetting. Okay, they are having a good memory power, means many previous years or previous events they are telling now. Okay, or they are unable to tell in previous events, even their date of their birthday celebrations also. Okay, my next another one, that is the mathematical reasoning. They are able to give logical or number series, or inability to do, or sometimes similarities. Okay, sometimes we are showing some fingers. Okay, what is that? For example, in our human body, we are asking what is the right hand, what is the left hand. Okay, we are having some mental capacity or some mental ability, then we are telling, okay, right hand this one, left hand this one, like that we are giving. Okay, sometimes they are unable to differentiate which is the right hand, which is the left hand. Okay, or sometimes they know, okay, this is the right hand, this is the left hand, but which is the right finger, which is the left finger. Okay, regarding this, means similar objectives we are showing in front of individuals, they are unable to differentiate. Sometimes they are able to differentiate. Okay, these are the points, these are the elements we are using for assessing their intelligence capacity of an individuals. Okay, next sometimes relationships also. Okay, they are understanding human relationship, or sometimes friendship, or parents relationship, or sometimes okay, whatever it is may be. Okay, they are understanding their relationship, or they are able to give their relative information, or sometimes they are unable to give. Okay, these are the points we are remembering when we are assess the individuals. Okay, next another one, that is the performance test. Okay, in this performance test what happens means we are using some picture arrangements. Okay, some pictures we are giving. Okay, the individuals is asking for arrange that picture. Okay, the individuals are arranging complete picture successfully or not. Okay, sometimes we are using some incomplete pictures. Okay, find the incomplete picture, means one diagram we are drawing on the chart. Okay, we are asking that particular individuals which is the incomplete picture is there on the chart. Okay, what are the missing points or what are the missing parts is there in that particular picture, that one we are asking. The children or students or individuals is able to give clear answer or correct answers to your questions, then the individuals having a normal or average or above average intelligence capacity. Okay, sometimes we are giving some colored blocks to design. Okay, means we are giving some squares or some circles on the chart. Okay, some two colors or some similar colors we are asking. Okay, in 4 blocks you should colored 2 similar blocks, or you should design 3 similar color and 1 is the unsimilar color, like that you are asking the children are able to design or not. Okay, sometimes some puzzle. Okay, one colors puzzle is there, no, they are able to together correctly or unable to or incorrectly doing that puzzle. Okay, that one we are assessed in the this picture or performance test. Means here in individual verbal test means మనము క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు సమాధానం చెప్పడము వర్బల్ టెస్ట్. ఓకే, మీ పేరేంటి, మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చినారు, ఎక్కడ, ఇప్పుడు టైం ఎంత, ఈరోజు ఏంటి, ఓకే ఈరోజు డేట్ ఎంత, ఇప్పుడు మార్నింగా ఈవినింగా, ఓకే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం అడిగినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు సరి అయినటువంటి సమాధానం ఇవ్వగలుగుతున్నారా లేదా అనే దాన్ని వర్బల్ టెస్ట్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఇందులో మనం ఇస్తున్నటువంటి సమాధానం వాళ్ళు అర్థం చేసుకోగలుగుతున్నారా లేదా. ఓకే, మనము వాళ్ళ యొక్క మెమొరీని పరీక్షించినప్పుడు ఓకే మీ డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ ఫస్ట్ బర్త్డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్లో ఎవరెవరు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు అనే విధంగా మనం అడిగితే వాళ్ళు చెప్పగలిగితే వాళ్ళకి రిమోట్ మెమరీ అంటే ప్రీవియస్గా జరిగినటువంటి ఈవెంట్స్ని కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నారు. రీసెంట్ మెమొరీ ఎస్టర్డే ఏం జరిగింది, ఓకే మీ ఫాదర్ ఎటు వెళ్ళారు, మీ మదర్ ఎటు వెళ్ళారు, అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం అడిగినప్పుడు. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ సమ్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీజన్స్. ఓకే, ఇన్ 10 rupees వీఆర్ డివైడెడ్ ఆర్ that what is that means 3 parts, what is that result. Okay, we are in that 9 we are divided into first 3, second 3, third 3. Okay, 3 parts, the number is 3, like that they are giving or not. Okay, next another one, that is the similarities. Two similar objectives చూపించి ఇందులో ఏ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఆర్ ఏవేవి సిమిలర్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 10 fingers వాళ్ళకు చూపించినాం. ఇందులో ఏ ఫింగర్స్ సిమిలర్గా ఉన్నాయి అని అంటే ద ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఆర్ షోయింగ్ ఓకే దీస్ 2 ఆర్ లిటిల్ ఫింగర్స్, దీస్ 2 ఆర్ లిటిల్ రింగ్ ఫింగర్స్, దీస్ 2 ఆర్ మిడిల్ ఫింగర్స్, దీస్ 2 ఆర్ ఇండెక్స్ ఫింగర్, దీస్ 2 ఆర్ థంబ్ ఫింగర్స్, లైక్ దట్ దే ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు differentiate. Okay, they are having a average or above average intelligence capacity. Okay, sometimes they are unable to differentiate. Okay, these two are similar or these two are similar or these two are similar. Okay, like that they are telling. Okay, then they are having some mentally abnormality, means their మానసిక ఎదుగుదల అనేది లోపం ఉంది, అలా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయడం. ఓకే, ఇది ఇండివిజువల్స్ వర్బల్ టెస్ట్. ఇన్ దిస్ ఇండివిజువల్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ టెస్ట్. ఇన్ దిస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ టెస్ట్ మనము కొన్ని పిక్చర్స్ ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, ఈ పిక్చర్ని ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేయి కరెక్ట్ ఉందా లేదా. ఓకే, ఒక ఫేస్ డయాగ్రామ్ వేసి ఇందులో ఐస్, నోస్, ఇయర్స్, చీక్స్, లిప్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేవో ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేయంటే ఉంటే ఉన్నాయని చెప్తారు, లేకపోతే లేవు. సమ్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ పిక్చర్స్ అంటే ఒక ఫేస్లో అన్ని పార్ట్స్ని మనము డ్రా చేసి ఒక నోస్ని ఇవ్వలేదు అని అంటే ఓకే ఇక్కడ నోస్ అనేది లేదు, means the individual is able to identify which is the missing parts or which is the correct picture or which is the incomplete color. some circles మనం ఒక 4 circles డ్రా చేసి అందులో 2 circlesకి సిమిలర్ కలర్స్ ఇచ్చి 2 circlesకి డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ని మనం డ్రా చేయమని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఆ ఇండివిజువల్ కరెక్ట్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారా లేదా. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాయింట్స్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ అసెసింగ్ ద ఇండివిజువల్స్. Okay, next another one is the group test. In this group test, that is the verbal test, non-verbal test. Okay, same individual. Okay, here only we are using for individuals, but here we are using for a group. Okay, in this group of people we are asking some verbalization questions, they are giving by verbally. Some in group we are giving some performance test or non-verbal communication, they are able to participate perfectly or imperfectly, we are identified. Okay, next another one, that is the types of reasoning. Okay, in these types, what are the types is there, means that is the verbal reasoning. Okay, they are able to give speech or they are able to give good communication, means what is the time, means immediately they are observing their watch and they are giving correct time. Sometimes they are unable to differentiate that time management. Okay, they are not unable to. In the morning we are asking questions. Okay, what is the time now? They are telling now night 10 p.m. or now night 12 p.m. like that. They are giving abnormal answers, means they are having a mentally illness. Okay, next another one, that is the quantitative test. Quantitative reasoning, in this we are using some number series. Okay, in this number series 1 2 3 4 5 okay 8 9 10 like that we are using some number series. Okay, which is the missing letters, just you put it like that. We are asking, means who are having mentally healthy, they are giving okay 1 2 3 4 5 after 6 after 7. Okay, then the number series is complete, like that they are able to tell or they are unable to tell. Okay, regarding that we are asking. Okay, next another one, that is the this abstract visual reasoning. Means we are drawing some diagrams like some circles or some squares or some triangles. We are giving drawing means copy. This one means the individual is able to copy. Okay, this is the circle or this is the square, this is the triangle, like that they are able to copy. Okay, they are able to drawing means they are having mentally healthy. Okay, sometimes they are unability to drawing. Okay, sometimes they are having low intelligence capacity. For improving their intelligence capacity, we are giving some suggestions, some management, some treatment to the individuals. Okay, next another one, that is the quantitative reasoning. In this we are using some memory sentences. Means already we have discussed, in recent memory or remote memory. Okay, in recent activities. Okay, in recently what is the what happening. Okay, what is the news or what is the whatever it may be, for testing of their intelligence capacity. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్గా రీసెంట్గా ఒక వైరస్ వస్తుంది. ఆ వైరస్ వల్ల గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ విల్ బీ సఫరింగ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వైరస్? లైక్ దట్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఇన్ జనరల్లీ మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు టెల్ దట్ ఈస్ ద కరోనా వైరస్. Like that means they are having good intelligence capacity. Sometimes they don't know, they are unable to differentiate, or they are not having any answer. Okay, immediately we are giving some guidance, some awareness. Okay, in our society, that is recently one coronavirus is there. Okay, the individuals are suffering this coronavirus, that is the most dangerous to the health. Like that we are giving some awareness. Okay, this is the useful. And management for the mental retardation means we are using these measurements. Okay, the persons are unable to tell, that is the first, that verbal reasoning, that is the date of the day or time of the day. Okay, or duration of the day. Okay, like that we are asking the individuals, they are unable to tell. Okay, then we are having the children or the individuals should be failure in this, or having low knowledge or less knowledge, failure in this or less knowledge in this. Then the children or individuals having some mental retardation. Okay, in this we are giving some treatment to the mental retardation children. Okay, what is the treatment means here? 3 steps is there, that is the primary prevention, secondary prevention, tertiary prevention. Okay, in this primary prevention we have to give we have to observe that children or individuals, okay, what is their economical status? They are having poor economical status, or they are having some socio-economical problems in family members, or in a budget they are having low. Okay, what is the problem? That will be identified in early stages. Okay, next sometimes the children are having some malnutrition problems. Okay, they are not having sufficient nutrition to the body. Okay, they are not eat a balanced diet, protein, fat, carbohydrates, some minerals, some vitamins. They are unable to eat, then they are suffering with the severe malnutrition. Okay, is there any abnormality of sometimes the children are undergone immunization. Okay, that immunization like 6 killer vaccines like BCG, DPT means bacilli calmette guerin, or diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, or sometimes measles, mumps, rubella. Okay, these are the diseases they are undergone some immunizations or not, that will be collect history from the children. Next, another one is there any genetical abnormalities in the children? Okay, that will be identified. Next, another one, that is the secondary prevention. Okay, in this secondary prevention we have to early diagnosis. Okay, if the children are having some mental retardation, in early stages we have to identify and we have to provide correct treatment to the children. Okay, next another one, that is the tertiary. Okay, in secondary prevention we have to give treatment in the hospital level. Okay, in primary the children are identified. Okay, next another one is in the tertiary levels we have to give some follow up care and checkups, some advices, some suggestions to the behavioral modification if the children are having antisocial behavior or negative behavior. Okay, we have to give behavioral therapy to the children for reducing their negative behavior. Okay, next another one that is the rehabilitation therapy. Okay, some children are having some depression. Okay, we are having low intelligence capacity. Okay, like that they are having some depression, means we have to give some rehabilitation. You also do, you have to do, like that we have to encourage the children. And another one that is the parental counseling. Okay, as a nurse we have to give some parental counseling to the parents. Why? Because for protecting the children from the mental retardation diseases. Okay, we have to improve the counseling, we have to give some correct counseling to the parents, how to give care to the children. Okay, what type of food we have to provide to the children. Okay, how to improve this number series or logical reasoning. For example, we have to give some task. Okay, small task we are giving to the children. Okay, they are actively participate in that particular task. Okay, we are asking some colors, we are showing some colors in front of children. Their ability to tell, okay, this is the white color, red color, black color. Okay, some alphabets we are showing. Okay, what is that alphabet? Okay, this is the A. Okay, some alphabets we are writing on the board or on the chart. Okay, like that we are giving, means the children are able to differentiate. Okay, this is the A alphabet, B alphabet, C alphabet, D, E, G, like that they are able to differentiate or not. Okay, like that we are assess the children and provide early stages treatment to the children for improving their mental capacity or for improving their intelligence capacity. We are conducting some therapies to the children. Okay, by providing good therapies to the children for reducing their mental retardation, for improving their mental capacity of our individuals. Okay, this is regarding intelligence of the individuals.